Welcome to this video on power configuration and integration in Row Data Center Designer. In the previous video, we explored how to configure and customize in-row cooling systems and containment solutions in the Row Data Center Designer. Select, filter, and configure cooling units, add cooling accessories, position cooling systems within the data center layout, and perform cooling analysis to validate airflow and thermal performance. In this video, you will learn how to configure UPS systems and define power requirements in the Row Data Center Designer, select power zones, UPS families, and runtime preferences based on business requirements, configure and integrate UPS systems with existing rack equipment and supporting power components, and save, position, and visualize power infrastructure connections while monitoring real-time bill of materials updates. Before we begin, let's consider this. Why is reliable UPS infrastructure so important in a data center? UPS systems provide backup protection for devices and data by delivering continuous power even when the primary power source fails. A robust data center requires reliable power. The Row Data Center Designer allows you to integrate comprehensive UPS solutions. From entry-level systems to high-performance three-phase setups, you can select UPS solutions that ensure high availability and improved energy efficiency. To begin, let us access the Power Configuration section and review the available settings. When the Power Configuration option is selected, it expands to display the available power configuration settings. You will first see a global search option that allows you to search different UPS systems offered by Schneider Electric. Simply enter the UPS name and click Search. Next, you will find various Symetra PX inputs under the Filters option. The right-hand panel displays the available power configurations, allowing you to configure the UPS based on the existing equipment. Under Filters, you can define properties such as UPS family, expected load capacity, and additional load. You will also see a redundancy option that provides a summary of both internal and system redundancy. You can also select the existing equipment option, where UPS recommendations are based on the existing configurations in the design room. The bill of materials summary details update automatically based on the current rack and cabinet configurations. Let us now move to load sizing, UPS family selection, and power zone configuration. Additional load can be defined as the increased load capacity required for future business needs. The total UPS sizing is calculated based on the expected and additional load capacity. In the UPS family, you can select it as per your choice. Next, let us review the power options, which consist of power supply equipment such as UPS systems, PDUs, and batteries, along with the equipment connected to these power components. The Symetra PX UPS systems vary based on the geographic region. In Underwriters Laboratories or UL regions, the available Symetra PX UPS systems include PX 20 kilowatts, 40 kilowatts, and 100 kilowatts. While the International Electrotechnical Commission or IEC regions support PX 48 kilowatts, 96 kilowatts, and 160 kilowatts models. Similarly, Galaxy UPS options in UL regions include Galaxy VL and VS, whereas IEC regions additionally support EZ3S Modular, EZ3M, and EZ3S systems. We will now configure the input voltage and expected runtime settings. Under Power Options, select the input voltage and expected runtime based on your business requirements. The next stage involves configuring the UPS system components and power connectivity. Select the required product from the list based on the defined properties and click Configure. This opens the configuration page where you can add components based on your requirements. The battery solutions update automatically based on the selected components. While configuring the power zone, any racks already placed in the solution appear in the existing equipment window. These racks are not powered or included in the UPS load by default. You can then select the racks that need to be powered. On the configuration page, you can add additional power whips and breakers as per your requirements. Please note that three-phase UPS systems such as Galaxy VX, Galaxy VL, Galaxy VXL, and EZ3S Modular can only be sized and cannot be connected within the tool. Cabling between the distribution unit and the three-phase Galaxy UPS must be completed by a trained local electrician. With the power configuration completed, let us now save the design. Once satisfied with the configuration, click Add to Unplaced. The design is automatically saved and redirected to the designer view, where all the data center equipment is already powered. Let us now review the power infrastructure within the design view. For a better view, select the Designer tab from the left menu bar to open the design view or 3D model of the selected configuration. Select and drag the power system onto the floor layout. The power connections appear automatically when the power system is brought near the existing design. Please note that the power system must be placed within the vicinity of the data center for the power connections to appear. The bill of materials updates automatically based on the products added to the floor layout. Power cables to the PDU are also added automatically based on the selected specifications. The power cable manager, shown as the ladder on the floor layout, is also added to the bill of materials. Data cable partitions and cable troughs are added by default. Similar to rack configuration, you can edit the power system by selecting the system, right-clicking, and choosing Edit. Selecting Edit redirects you to the UPS configuration page. After making the required changes, you can return to the design page. The bill of materials pricing also updates automatically based on the latest changes. This completes the power configuration and integration workflow in the Row Data Center Designer. In the next part of this video, we will focus on DCIM, security and service configuration. Thank you for watching.